Forget the price for a second. Watch the color. This is Profiterol Power Bars. Every bar is painted with the market's live strength, and four things carry that one reading at once: the bars, the price label on the right, the price line, and the strength scale in the bottom corner. Wherever your eye lands, the answer is already there. Look how the green deepens through this run. Bright green is the strong end of the spectrum. Strength isn't just present, it's building, bar after bar. Then it drains to blue. Blue is the market's question mark, the neutral middle with no side in control, until the green returns and conviction builds back. Then the strength rolls over. The color cools to blue, a correction taking hold, before deepening into red, a bearish stretch where weakness is firmly in control. Watch it bottom out, red easing back through blue, and then conviction returns, the green building again as strength comes back to life. Here the green holds for a long stretch. When the color stays this hot across so many bars, you're looking at a trend with real conviction behind it. Now the important part. Watch the green fade toward blue right at the highs. The price still looks fine, but the strength behind it is quietly leaving. The color moved first. And near the top, it happens again. The drive runs out of fuel, green softening back to blue while the chart still looks strong. The color tells the story before the candles admit it. And it all lives on this scale in the corner. Red on the left is weakness. Bright green on the right is strength. Blue sits in the middle, and the marker rides the live position. The scale, the label, the line. The same color in one glance. One chart, one move, read entirely in color. The strength you can see before price confirms it. This video is for educational purposes only and not investment advice. See you in the next educational video.